I began to hear, literally, in my ear, the sound of the trumpet. Now, I want to describe that in other people's testimonies, or I hear how other people say the trumpet will sound.
Yeah.
I hear that, and I'm not disputing. But the way the trumpet sounded to me was like the horn, or the honk, I don't know, they call it honking, of a cruise ship. Have you ever heard when a cruise ship is docking?
Yeah.
That sound, that says,
That
like,
deep
yeah, but
sound,
that deep sound.
Yo.
So that is the sound I began to hear day to day to day to day. It was not in my ear, but I could. It is, if God opened my ears and my hearing could hear something that was happening in heaven. Let me see.
Sure.
The sound of the trumpet kept ringing, and it didn't only ring, it had a message. Tell the people. Remember, I'm coming from being told the date of the rapture.
Yeah.
So he's telling me, tell the people what I told you. The sound of the trumpet stopped when the decision was made in